Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Daraz store URL. First, you will need to log into your Daraz Seller Center account. Once logged in, look for the Store Decoration section, which is usually found on the left-hand navigation panel. Within this section, you should then find and click on Store Settings or Basic Information to proceed with updating your store's web address. This is the initial step to customize your online presence. Next, within the Store Settings or Basic Information area, you will see your current store URL displayed. Carefully locate this field. There should be an Edit or Change button positioned right beside it, allowing you to modify the existing address. It is crucial to confirm you are in the correct section, as this ensures you are altering your primary store identity and not another setting. Take a moment to double-check before moving forward. Now, you can carefully type your desired new store URL into the provided field. Remember to choose a unique and memorable address for your shop. After entering the new URL, it is very important to thoroughly verify it for any potential typos or errors, as a mistake could lead to customers being unable to find your store. Once you are completely satisfied, click the Save or Submit button to apply these changes to your Daraz shop. Finally, after saving, a confirmation message should appear on your screen, indicating that your changes have been successfully submitted. To ensure everything is correct, open a new browser tab and visit your Daraz store using the newly updated URL. It might take a few minutes, perhaps up to 5 or 10, for the changes to fully propagate across the platform. If you do not see the update immediately, please be patient and check again shortly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.